Hello, it is Tuesday, the 7th of January. It is the afternoon. I've just sat down to work. I'm really excited to do some more work on my wolf piece today. I did some last night and some yesterday, but I didn't actually film anything yesterday because it was like late in the afternoon by the time I actually got around to actually sitting down on my desk after doing some admin tasks and some other bits, so I didn't actually film yesterday. I suppose I'm officially starting my studio vlog this week on Tuesday, so welcome. The only thing that I really have to do today is to work on this wolf piece. I have given myself till, I think it was the 15th of January, next week sometime, next Friday, to actually work on this piece and try and hopefully get it done. So I have a couple of days this week where I can spend quite a bit of time doing that, and I'm gonna try and put in a few more hours like at the weekend, just to try and like hurry things along and try and get this done. And then the following week I need to start on the Animal Artist Collective piece, and I also need to start a tutorial piece for this month. But my main priority for this week, at least, I'll just show you this piece so far. My main priority, I'm going to try and get it done today, is to finish off this wolf. If I can get that wolf done this week, we'll be good. It's a little bit of an easy task now that I've got the face done. The faces are always the hardest part because you have to get in all these really tiny details, and there's just a few like nitpicky areas which just take a long time to get in because the scale of these aren't like huge. Each wolf is like just like 3 fingers wide, and to get some of the details in I need some really sharp pencils. It's just a lot of work with the eyes and stuff. Just it makes you really tired when you're working really small like this and you're spending a lot of time just working over the same details, trying to get your pencils to go in exactly the right place. And yeah, it's a lot of tedious work, but it's well worth it when you look back at the piece that you've got so far and you're like, oh yes. So yeah, I'm really excited to just crack on and work on this. I'm going to put some I was going to put some music on, but I think I'm going to listen to something like a podcast or a TV show or something in the background today, just to fill in the quietness, because I don't like to work in here like when it's really quiet because it gets quite boring. Just something to really pass the time a lot quicker. One other thing that I just thought I'd update you guys on is, I don't know if I showed it in my little 2-day studio vlog that I need to edit today or this evening at some point. I have a new tattoo. That wasn't a really good show of it. There you go. So I've been saying for ages, since my birthday in August, that I wanted a new tattoo and I wanted broccoli. I actually put a poll up on Instagram and in my Facebook group of what I should get. It was between a lion, because I'm a Leo, and a broccoli. And I thought that a lot of people would actually choose the broccoli because it was like a really weird option, but majority of people actually chose the lion, and I was like, I really wanted the broccoli because that's what I really want. And if you're wondering the reason behind the broccoli, it's because I really love broccoli. There's not really any other reason apart from the fact that it's my favourite vegetable. I have tons of it in my fridge. I eat it pretty much every day. And I just love it. And I really want to develop this into like a vegetable arm, like a forearm. So I'm just going to cover this arm with different vegetables. I think the next one I want to get is like a small bunch of carrots with the like wispy tops, and I'm going to perhaps bring it all together with like some herbs and some aromats and stuff like that. That's the thought behind that. So yeah, that's something new to share with you guys, and I'm really pleased with it. And it's a tender stem, in case any of you were wondering. Like, it's not like one of those traditional big heads of broccoli. I didn't want to go down that route. I wanted to go down more of like the illustrative route, and a tender stem was the way to do that. So it's a tender stem broccoli on the forearm. I absolutely love it. And for those of you asking whether it hurt, didn't hurt one bit. It's like, didn't even feel it. Like the only bit that I felt was when it went a little bit down here and it kind of like got the nerve, but that's about it. It started making my fingers twitch a little bit as well. But yeah, that's all that's new. I'm feeling very refreshed, really eager to work, really eager to draw. So I suppose let's get to it. Good morning. It is Thursday and I've just sat down to do some work. I have blitzed my house this morning, like cleaned the kitchen, done everything. It feels super duper good. I'm actually properly dressed for work for the first time so far this year. And when I say properly dressed, I mean usually I wear like a top and then I wear some leggings, usually like workout leggings or yoga stuff, just something that's like comfortable around the house. But today I actually have some jeans on and I feel like a proper adult. So yeah, that's something. I don't know why I decided to put like jeans on instead of the usual. I just felt like I needed to wear some proper clothes and actually feel like I was like going to work today. And I actually did makeup today as well. Usually I just wear like a little bit of eyeliner, but today I have actually like done the whole winged top eyeliner. How I used, like when I used to have a day job, I just used to wear makeup like this, so just a little bit of winged eyeliner, a little bit of eyeshadow and stuff. So I thought, why not make it feel as if I'm actually going to a proper day job? And yeah, that's what I decided to do today, and I must admit it has made me feel a little bit better. Just sat down in the studio. I need to package up 2 orders, so I have actually got some, like, I don't know what the word is that I'm looking for right now, not like genuine, some organic sales through my shop site from Google. So my SEO must be like working real good if I'm getting sales just without doing anything, just because the SEO is like working. So that's really super duper exciting. I've got 1 order which was just a single card, and then I've got another order which was a load of cards. I'm not sure if I'm going to be able to fit those in a box, but we'll see. I think it's about 11 cards. I think I can fit 10 in. We'll see what we can do. Because I don't have any like A4 boxes or anything for shipping. All I have are A5 boxes. I might have to like try and squeeze as much air out of the package of the cards as possible. This is what I'm going to do right now, and then I'm going to get on and do a little bit of drawing. I also need to just update Patreon and just check on some comments. I need to edit a YouTube video today as well. There's a lot of stuff that I actually need to do, so I'm going to actually utilise my planner as well, because I haven't actually managed to do that. I've done 2 days so far this year, 2 days in my planner, and it's already the 9th of January. So I need to get on that and keep using it. But I need to edit a studio vlog as well, because I was meant to get it up yesterday. Completely forgot that it was Wednesday, and that's the day that my studio vlogs usually go up. So I'm going to try and get it edited like after I've packaged up these orders, and then I can sit and edit that and get it uploaded for today. And then hopefully I'm going to try and get a drawing tutorial edited for Friday as well, but not sure how that one's going to go. We'll see, but let's package up these orders first. Okay, so I'm just inserting this little bit here because I completely forgot to record anything on the Friday and I didn't sign off for the studio vlog. Again, I'm so out of practice with it and I apologise. So that's pretty much it. That's all I've got for this week because it was a really slow week. But I'll see you guys next week.